So if you guys ever run into a problem where your car won't start and you're panicking, you don't know if it's the battery, if you don't know it's the starter, you don't have to panic. I'm going to show you guys how to fix the problem. So the first thing you want to do is determine whether or not it's the battery or the starter. If you turn the key and the radio and the air conditioning all turn on, then chances are it's not the battery and it's probably your starter. Now I'm going to show you guys how to fix this problem. It's not a permanent fix. It isn't, if your car won't start, it is an underlying problem that you probably will have to replace either the battery or the starter, most likely the starter. But I'm going to show you guys how to get the car started so that you can get it started and at least drive back home or drive to a garage if you've run into this problem, because it can be really annoying if your car won't stop and you're out running errands. Let's say you're at the mall or something and then you start panicking. You don't have to panic, don't worry. I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So first thing you want to do is you want to pop the hood. Okay, so now we're going to determine whether or not it's the starter or the battery. Well, technically we already determined that it's not the battery, it's the starter, because I was able to turn the car on, power it on, and I had radio and I had air conditioning, right? So most likely it is the starter. And I'm gonna actually just roll my window down here first. So yeah, and I can roll my window down, so it's definitely not the battery, it's the starter. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pop the hood. Now, I was driving, so my hood is probably a little bit hot, so I'm gonna slip a glove on my hand right now first. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit difficult holding the camera in my hand while doing this, but we're gonna get it done. Okay, so I wanna pop the hood. Alright, just hold on a second. I gotta put the latch up. Put the camera down for a second. Okay, so now that I got the hood up, what you want to do is you want to locate your starter. So oftentimes the starter, this is a Toyota Corolla, the starter is right in front of the engine, and it looks like that thing right there. And what you want to do is you want to get a hammer or something, something hard, maybe a pipe or a hammer, whatever you have in your car. If you're out running errands, you might not have anything. Try to look for a pipe or a hammer or something, a screwdriver, and you want to bang the starter. You want to bang the starter with the hammer or the pipe or the screwdriver. So you're going to bang it like that. And also, usually what helps is, and the reason why we're doing that is because oftentimes, because it's so close to the ground and it's near the engine, a lot of dirt and debris gets into the starter. So giving it a bang, clearing it out actually helps it. And also, so once you've done that, also closing the hood and this initial slam of the hood down onto the car is actually good also for it, because that kind of like rattles the starter and it clears out the debris. So when you do that, you can go try to start your car, and oftentimes it is gonna start. So there you go. Yes, it did start. So yes, it was the starter. However, that is not a permanent fix. That is just a temporary fix so that you can actually just get the car started, drive it home, drive it to a garage, and if it happens again, you can do it again. But that's an underlying problem that yeah, you're probably gonna have to replace the starter soon, but that is a temporary fix, because most often it's just that the starter has like debris or dirt in there. So giving it a bang, slamming the hood down is enough to kind of clear that debris out, and the car will start. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, so that happened to me when I was at the mall, and it was about it was closing time, so the mall was about to close. It was about like almost 10 p.m. and then my car won't start. I was panicking. I was like, shit, I don't know what to do. So I go online, I'm thinking, how am I gonna replace the starter? I need to call something. No garage is open, right? So I popped the hood, and I didn't know really what I was doing. I popped the hood and I slammed the hood down, and I was just like, fuck. And I went to start the car again, And just not even banging the starter, slamming the hood back down was enough to clear out some debris. And when I started the car, it actually started. So that's a super lifesaver hack right there, how to start your car if in fact your car won't start. But yeah, hope that helps you guys.